If you want to install an SSL certificate on your website using the Namecheap SSL plugin and you want to do it manually the right way, this video is going to walk you through the whole process step by step. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reinstalling it on a domain that already has SSL, I'll show you exactly what to click so you can get it done quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the menu on the left side of the screen and click Hosting List. This is where Namecheap shows all of the hosting accounts connected to your domains. Find the domain you need to install the SSL certificate on, and then click Go to cPanel next to that domain. Now that you're in cPanel, look for the Namecheap SSL option. This plugin is what you will use to manage the SSL installation. If this is your first time setting up the certificate on this domain, you'll usually see a tab called Ready for Installation. That's the option you want to use if the SSL has not been installed yet. If the certificate was already installed before, then you'll need to use the Installed via Namecheap SSL tab instead. Inside that section, find the status dropdown, click it, and then choose Reinstall. This tells Namecheap that you want to apply the certificate again, which is useful if you're updating, fixing, or replacing an existing installation. After that, choose the domain you want to secure. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you manage multiple websites, because this is the step where it's very easy to click the wrong domain by accident. Once the right domain is selected, click Yes, Replace. This confirms that you want to continue with the reinstall process. Next, click Install Certificate. Namecheap will now begin applying the SSL certificate to your chosen domain. Give it a moment to finish, and once the process is complete, your site should be set up with SSL using the manual Namecheap SSL method. If you were installing for the first time, the process is very similar, but instead of using the Installed via Namecheap SSL tab, you'll go through the Ready for Installation tab and proceed with the installation from there. The key is just to make sure you're in the correct section based on whether the certificate is new or already installed. And that's it. You've now learned how to install an SSL certificate using the Namecheap SSL plugin manually in cPanel. This is a useful process for securing your site, improving trust, and helping your website load with HTTPS instead of just HTTP. If this video saved you time, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.